Hello, good morning my dear children. I think all of you have seen my last class and we have taken sentences, grammar in the last class. All of you had gone through that portions and your parents helped you a lot to go through the grammars, I think. Today one more time we are going through that grammar, that is sentences. We are going the previous chapter grammar one more time. And I hope all of you have done the exercises I have given you in the textbook, that is text-based exercises I have given you to do, that is at home. I hope all of you have done it, and I have wrote some more thing on the board. We can see that, that is use capital letter and full stops. My dear children, what the thing first of all you should have to notice it, whenever we are making a sentence, there are many group of words in a sentence. So that sentences, that word by word, that's words making together, then it forms a sentence. And there in a sentence there is a subject and verb. In a sentence there is subject and verb. ഒരു സെൻറ്റൻസ്, ഒരു വാചകത്തിൽ ഒരു ആളെ പറ്റി നമ്മൾ പറയും, ആൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്രവൃത്തിനെ പറ്റി നമ്മൾ പറയും, അതാണ് ഒരു സെൻറ്റൻസ്. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു സെൻറ്റൻസ് അതിൻ്റെ കറക്റ്റായ യൂസേജിൽ വെക്കുമ്പോൾ, ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ നമ്മൾ അത് വെക്കുമ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെ ശരിക്കും അത് ഈസ് വാസ് വേറൊക്കെ അതിൽ വേണം, അല്ലാണ്ട് വി കാൻ മേക്ക് എ സെൻറ്റൻസ്. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്? സോ ഐ ഹാവ് റോട്ട് 3 words shuffled, that is not in the proper way, the words are on the board, so we should have to write it in the proper way. The first one is use. You should have to, when you are writing a sentence, start with the capital letter and a sentence must end with full stop. So keep in your mind, don't forget it, a sentence must start with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So playing, first one, playing, he, his, is, toys, with. This is not in the proper way, the sentence. So you should, what you should have to do it is you should have to make the sentence in the proper way. So how can we write it? How can we write it, my dear children? He is playing with his toys. How? He is playing with his toys. So the answer is he, capital letter H must be capital. He is playing with his toys. So this sentence ends with a full stop. Next, second one, beat the drum he loudly can. Beat the drum he loudly can. So how can we make that sentence in the proper way? He can beat the drum loudly. How can we make it in the proper way? He can beat the drum. He can beat the drum loudly. Full stop. A sentence must start with capital letter and ends with a full stop. The third sentence, on the train runs the tracks. So how can we write it in the proper way? The train runs on the tracks. The correct way of writing is the train runs on the tracks. All of you got it, my dear children? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും മനസ്സിലായോ മിസ് തന്നത്? ഇതുപോലെ നിങ്ങളുടെ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എക്സസൈസസ് ഉണ്ട്, അത് നിങ്ങൾ വീട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് ശരിക്കും ചെയ്യണം ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ. മനസ്സിലായോ? പിന്നെ one more thing I should have to say to you, that is rewrite the paragraph using capital letters. That is here, that is you are given paragraph here, you should have to make 8 sentences with that. What you should have to do? Make 8 sentences with this paragraph. So that you can do it at home. With the help of your parents you can do it. When we are in the classroom, we are discussing face to face. In that way you can't do it. So with the help of your parents only you can do it. So do that thing, that exercise at home properly. And one more thing I should have to say to you is that is the next exercise is D. Here, match it. That is match the columns to make complete sentences. One has been done for you, the rest thing you should have to do it. That is the earth goes round the sun. First one, that is page number 43. D, exercise D, match the columns to make complete sentences. First one, you already, it is given you in the textbook. The earth goes around the sun. First one. The second one, Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Second one, so you should have to match it in your textbook itself. Third one, the lotus is our national flower. Fourth one, many animals live in the jungle. Fifth one, a tortoise carries a shell on its back. Then sixth one, Josna Chinnappa plays squash. That is a game. That play squash means that is a game. That is ball, badminton, like that. No, we are playing a game. That kind of game is that. Next one, January is the first month of the year. Next, eighth one, a frog can hope and croak. That's all. D. Next is I have done it on the board. In that way you should have to do the next grammar in your textbook. Then we can write the question answers, that is after this. So at home all the children should have to thoroughly do that grammar. You thoroughly study it. First of all you should have to go through the grammar, whatever in the textbook, go through that with the help of your parents. Don't forget it to do every day. What all things I am teaching you, you should have to do that strictly. You should have to do that at home. Then slightly bit difficult for you, don't worry about that. It will be overcomes, so don't worry about that. What is the grammar, what I have wrote it on the board in that way. That is the lesson based grammar too you are having in the textbook. That too you should have to do it here. In the last class I told you everyone should have to finish it off at your home. So do this well at your home. Today is the last day of this month. Then we will meet in next month, July. Next month starts tomorrow. So today is the last class of this month. So my dear children, do all the things, do it in the very good way at home, and with the help of your parents you can easily do that all the things. So don't worry, be happy in your home. Thank you very much.